In front of me is Vivo Y76 5G, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So if your phone is stuck and freeze for some unknown reason, all you need to do is tap on power button along with volume down buttons. So just hold them all together, keep holding, and as only you feel the vibration, you can release the buttons. Just wait a couple of seconds. Now provide your lock screen password and your phone should work perfectly now. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.